Today, I'll be showing you how to make canola oil soup. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how I attempt to make canola oil soup. It is a single oil soup, so let's get into it. Today, I'll be using this no-name brand, this pure canola oil. I'll be weighing out my oil first. Then I'll go ahead and weigh out my other ingredients. Please do well to always have your measuring scale. It is important to have a measuring scale. Here, I'll also be measuring my water. In this video, I did a full water measurement, but if you want your soup to get hard very fast, I would also advise you to try out the water discount method. Here, this is my caustic soda. I just weighed out my caustic soda. So these are my three main ingredients I'll be using. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. This sugar is to aid lather for our soap. So I'm going to be stirring it here to dissolve it for like a minute, but you don't necessarily have to dissolve it entirely. When you add your caustic soda, it's also going to help you dissolve it. So I'm going to be adding my caustic soda in little by little, making sure to stir well to dissolve your caustic soda. You can see here the water is a little bit brown. It's because of the sugar. It's getting caramelized. So you stir it. Here I stirred it for about 3 minutes until it was completely dissolved. So I'm going to keep it aside for 20 minutes to cool down. So 20 minutes later, my lye is cooled down. I'm going to warm up my oil in the microwave. So I'm back. I've heated up my oil. I'm going to go straight into my soap making. I'll be adding my lye solution straight into the canola oil. Remember, this lye solution is a mixture of water, sugar, and caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. I'm going to be using my spoon to stir it a little bit. Then I'm going to use my stick blender to follow it up, because if I have to use my spoon, I'll be here for a long time. So I'm going to stick blend here. I stick blend this mixture for a long time to get to a light trace, because canola oil is a soft oil. It's similar to olive oil. It doesn't get hard on time. So I did stick blend for like 2 minutes straight here. I was stick blending and stick blending. It's obvious that it's not going to get any thicker than it already is. It is emulsified. It is ready to pour in the mold as it is. So I'm going to pour it straight into the mold. Always make sure you have your silicone mold for such oils, because it will be easier to unmold the soap. So I'm going to pour it directly into my soap mold, and you can see how light the texture is even after stick blending for a good 2 minutes straight. It was still light, but it's okay. It's okay. It's similar to olive oil, and this soap is going to take a long time to cure, being that it's a single oil soap and it's a soft oil. So here I'm going to leave it to stay in the mold for 5 days. Yes, 5 days before I unmold this soap. Normally it will take 24 hours, but canola oil is very soft. So this is 5 days later. I'm going to attempt to unmold this soap. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, unmolding the first soap, you see that it's still soft at the bottom, a little bit soft, but it's okay, it's fine. The other one came out better than the first one. but you have to leave this soap for at least 3 to 4 months before it gets hard. Performing a ladder test, it came out better than I expected. It is very foamy, it lathers well. I give this soap a 90 over 100. Please guys, do well to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.